Hello friends, welcome to Mu Lessons. In the previous video, we have learned about MATLAB using variables, matrices and plotting graphs. So in this video, we will see in real time how to use them. So previously I have said this is the command window. Here you have to type all the commands and the result will be displayed here. I have kept my command history on the right hand side. You can see like here the arrow is moving, the workspace is above it, and this is the current folder which has been opened. So I have made a lot of programs for you. Now before using MATLAB, let me show you something. Here we have the file command. Here you get the options of new, making a script. Click on script. You will get this M file editor. Here you need to type the commands and save it, and then this is the run button, that is a green color button. You see, this is the run. You have to run or simulate them. Now in this edit window we have options like clear the command window, clearing the history. This makes very clumsy at one time when these things are filled up. So there are a lot of options in MATLAB, and this is the main important option, that is the help option. You can type this product help or any type of help you want. Suppose I have typed product help. Now you can see the variety of help the MATLAB provides. So simple MATLAB to aerospace toolbox, bioinformatics, communication systems, curve fitting toolbox, financial toolbox, fuzzy logic toolbox, HDL verifier, instrumental image processing toolbox. So in this MATLAB you will find a lot of things to discover. A lot of toolbox are predefined. You just need to program them and write them according to the requirement. In the higher studies you will learn about how to use this Simulink. For your Simulink are just the diagrammatical approach of simulating or verifying. In normal M file you have to write the codes, but in case of Simulink you need to arrange your blocks and make a desired program. Here we have Simulink PLC coders. So this helps option provides a lot of help. So first of all I will start with simple MATLAB getting started. So in this case, if you start with quick start, this will help you in showing you how the workspace is working, how to use this workspace. All the details are given over here. Functions, how to use the functions. MATLAB provides a large number of functions to perform this computational tasks. Now how to plot the graphs. You can plot this line graphs, simple line graph. For this line graph the command is, you need to assign x equals to 0 to pi by 100 to 2 pi 2 into pi, and y equals to sine of x. Then you need to write the command that plot x with respect to y. So by writing this 3 you will get this graph. Now if you want to label this graph, you need to write x level equals to x, y level equal to sine x, and if you want to write the title, you need to write title plot of sine x. Now we can also have 3D plots like this, but these are very complicated type. You need to study more about this. For the time being you need to learn how to do all these line plots only. Now here are some example of subplots. In a single graph you need to arrange them in such a manner so that you will compare all the graphs. So this is done by subplot. Now the mathematical part, we have linear algebra, how to use this linear algebra, data analysis part, processing data, summing data. We have the programming part. In the last video I have told you about the conditional control or the control flow, if else, for loop, while loop, So all types of hints with examples are given in this help option. You just need to explore them as much as you can, and you will get a lot of knowledge from this. MATLAB is basically so popular because no such special teaching is required for this. You will explore just by searching, by reading this help option, and for that you need the basic ideas only. So this video will give you all these basic ideas. Now this was all about the help option. Now we will start with our MATLAB program. Suppose I write x equals to, in case of parenthesis inside it I write 1 space 2 space 3 space 4. So the output will be x is a vector with numbers 1 2 3 4. You can see over here. Now if I write the same thing but with a terminator, that is x equals to 1 terminator 2 terminator 3 4, then it becomes a column matrix or a column vector, you can say. Now the command clc is used to clear the screen. So we'll learn something more about these MATLAB programs. I have made some programs for you, like suppose we need to design a cos function. For that, this is the first 3 lines, very important, you need to write always clc clear all and close all. clc will clear the screen, clear all will clear the workspace, and close all will close all the previous datas. Now suppose I write x equals to 0, this is the increment value, that is 0.05 till 5, x equals to 0 colon 0.05, that is the increment value, and the data ends at 5, and the y is given, the cos function y is equals to cos of x square. Cos of x square means x dot power to the power 2. Now next command we'll write is plot x of y, x and y. We need to label them. X label is named as time, y label as amplitude. The title is given as cos function. So after you write the command in this editor, you need to save it. It has already been saved. After saving this, you can run it by click on this green button. So this is the figure of cosine function, you can see in MATLAB. Now similarly we have some more functions like step signal. This is a unit step signal. The basics of unit step signal is known to you, so I will just go with this program. X equals to -5, increment of 1, and the end is 5. Y will contain zeros and ones. So for y equals to, it will go from 0s to 1 to 5, increment of 1, and then ones from 1 to 5. We will have some subplots like 2 1 1. This stem is used to make graphs, and then finally we'll level them. After that we need to save them and run it like this. Whenever this window occurs, always type add to path, so that the same folder will be added to a path and it will give the output. So this is the unit function. The step function will show you the discrete values. Stem function will show you the discrete values. In case of step function, you know, from 0 it will rise to 1, and before 0 all are zeros. So the y command was given as y equals to zeros of 1 to 5 and 1s are from 1 to 5, and hence we get the output like this. Now this is a triangular ramp signal. I will just run it, you can see it. So in this way you can use a lot of functions in case of MATLAB. A lot of programs you can write, run them, execute them and study them. Now suppose we will have a impulse signal, we will run them, add to path. This is the unit impulse function. At 0 it is 1 and the rest of the point it is 0. So in this way you will learn how to use all these functions of MATLAB. With regular practice you can see also. Now there are some very interesting facts about MATLAB, like we have comparing tool for this. You need to study about all of these toolbars that are used for your specific purposes, and after all a regular practice will make you very much acquainted with this MATLAB, and it will be very helpful for you. So for my advice, start working on it and it will give you better results in your future. Thank you for this video.